Okay, Michael, this is your homework, right?
Yep.
So number 1 says what?
3 times 8.
3 times 8. 3 times 8 is
24.
24. Good job. The second one is 1 times 7. 1 times 7 is what?
7.
1 times 7 equals 7.
7.
0 times 9.
0.
0. 2 times 2.
4.
3 times 7.
21.
0 times 6.
0.
Okay, can you push it forward? Good job. 1 times 5.
5.
2 times 9.
18.
Okay, 1 times 3.
3.
Okay, continue writing. Let's see. So you are doing your homework, right? 1 times 3. Tell us before you write, please.
1 times 3 is 3. 0 times 2 is 0.
Okay.
2 times 3 is 6. 0 times 5 is 0. 3 times 1 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 9 is 27. 0 times 1 is 0. 2 times 7 is 14. 1 times 6 is 6. 3 times 0 is 0. 2 times 6 is 12. 0 times 7 is 0. 3 times 3 is 9. 2 times 5 is 10. 1 times 8 is 8. 3 times 6 is 18. 0 times 3 is 0. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 9 is 9. 3 times 5 is 15. 0 times 4 is 0. 1 times 0 is 0. 2 times 8 is 16. 0 times 0 is 0. 3 times 4 is 12. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 0 is 0. 0 times 8 is 0.
Amazing. This is amazing. Thank you so much. So this is your homework, right?
Yeah.
This is amazing. You got everything. Okay, what do you want to say?
Friends, this is my homework. Did I get everything correct? Please check and tell me in the comment section. Bye, and see you in my next video.